The whole crypto market right now is burning, but there is one name in the top 10 which is blowing away all of the expectations. You're right, my friends, I'm talking about Shiba Inu. 25% up just for the last 24 hours and 650% up for the last month. This video is dedicated to the Shiba Inu, the latest news, as we have so much to talk about, the Shytoshi Kusama's latest update about Shiboshis. All of this in my video. Before we go on, make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. The first news is from MarketWatch. Shiba Inu is the world's third most googled crypto in 2021. On the first place we have, of course, Bitcoin with 22 million average monthly search volume. Second is Ethereum with 6.3 million. And on the third place, my friends, it's Shiba Inu with 2.8 million searches just so far. And we are catching up on Ethereum. Dogecoin left just 6th in the ranking. Now to Shytoshi Kusama's promised update from 2 days ago. He's sharing the great success of Shiboshis. All of the first 10,000 NFTs of Shiboshis have been minted so far, and you can see the Ethereum trading volume for the last 24 hours. It's absolutely crazy what Shiboshis have done. Now one of the options to buy Shiboshis is on the OpenSea market, as their price starts at around 0.7 Ethereum for each. Now if you think that $3,500 is too expensive to buy an NFT, take a look at the Axie Infinity marketplace. Axie is another very well-known crypto game which pays its users to play it. Now if you go on the Axie marketplace page and type just the original Axies which were at the beginning of the game, you'll see that their price starts by 3 Ethereum each, or at around $12,000. If you remove this criteria from the search, you will see that the normal Axie price is just 0.03 Ethereum or $120. Now don't take this as an investment advice, this is just an analogy and my opinion that Shiboshi's price is going to skyrocket in the future. Second key takeaway from Shytoshi's update. Now we have the Shiboshi social club, which can be found on the ShibaSwap page. This is an exclusive page for only the Shiboshi owners. So if you wanna enter the club, you know what to do. At the very bottom of the page we can see that each Shiboshi is unique, but even better, each of the properties of your Shiboshi corresponds to an attribute in the upcoming game. These properties are in 5 attribute categories: life force, evasion, attack, luck and skill. So this is again, my friends, very similar to Axie Infinity. And now I want to share with you another article about gaming. According to this article, 3.24 billion gamers around the world. Now can you imagine what would happen if all of these 3.25 billion people move into crypto gaming? This will be an absolute revolution. And this is why most of the crypto games are seeing around 1000x growth. Take a look, for example, at Axie Infinity for the last year. 121,000% up. A similar thing could happen to Shiba Inu and the new game, but now combine this with the already huge community of the SHIB army. And if the SHIB army stands behind this game, I'm sure this is going to be a huge success. And this is also why the market is pricing Shiba Inu right now so high, and we are reaching another all-time high and another all-time high. Another opinion which I found here on YouTube from George from Cryptos Are Us is that there is an upcoming listing on the Robinhood app for Shiba Inu, and Robinhood is right now accumulating huge amounts of Shiba Inu, and this is what is causing its price to spike. I don't know which of this is true. Maybe you have another opinion, you can share it in the comments below. It will be great for me to read it. See you again and stay tuned for more updates.